Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of 3 colorful vegetables: green, red, and yellow bell peppers. Let's start with green bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Green bell peppers are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. They contain various antioxidants that help combat free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Green bell peppers are also high in fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system and aiding in weight management. Now, let's move on to red bell peppers. The rich red color indicates a higher level of ripeness and some unique health benefits. Red bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision and skin health. Like their green counterparts, red bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. Studies suggest that the compounds in red bell peppers may have anti-inflammatory effects, contributing to overall well-being. Finally, let's explore the benefits of yellow bell peppers, the mellowest of the trio in terms of taste but not in terms of nutritional value. Yellow bell peppers are another great source of vitamin C, and they also contain various B vitamins important for energy metabolism. The combination of antioxidants, particularly carotenoids, in yellow bell peppers supports skin health and may benefit eye health. Some studies suggest that the nutrients in yellow bell peppers may contribute to mood improvement, promoting a positive mental state. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of green, red, and yellow bell peppers. Including these colorful vegetables in your diet can add not only flavor, but also a variety of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which bell pepper is your favorite and how you like to incorporate them into your meals. Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.